Hello everyone and welcome to Sambhav Law. In today's session, we have Kanishka with us, who had cracked her IIT Kharagpur examination and is currently a student in IIT Kharagpur. And today, she is here with us to share her tips and her strategy as to how we can crack the IIT Kharagpur exam in the last 5 to 10 days. Basically, it's this video is not going to be कि we will be cracking your whole exam A से लेके Z तक हम लोगों को पूरा explain कर दे, लेकिन आपने जितनी पढ़ाई अभी तक करी है उसके अंदर आपको रिवीजन किस तरीके से फोकस में रखना है, या फिर किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, किन सब्जेक्ट पे आपको ज्यादा फोकस करना है, आपके पास जो टाइम है उसका को कैसे यूटिलाइज करना है, इसके ऊपर हम लोग का ज्यादा फोकस इस वीडियो के अंदर रहेगा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली विल बी डिस्कसिंग ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स हेयर इटसेल्फ. सो अकॉर्डिंगली आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल हो. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली कनिष्का आई वुड लाइक यू टू प्लीज फर्स्टली आप प्लीज अपना थोड़ा सा बताइए कि आपने जो तैयारी वगैरह करी थी आईआईटी खड़गपुर की, तो लास्ट के 5-10 डेज में कैसे सिचुएशन होती है, कैसे आपने बेसिकली चीजों को वो किया था.
Okay. Thank you for the warm welcome, sir. So exam is definitely going to test your knowledge in all the subjects from various perspective. This is not an exam where you can just mug up things and write it down because questions are from practical side as well. So let's take an example of contract itself. So they are not going to ask you that whether A did a contract with B, is it a right contract or not. So they will give you some situation based question where they will be explaining you that how A has forced B to enter into a contract, and then you need to tell whether it is a valid contract or not. So questions are a bit tricky where you need to really apply your knowledge of law. And as far as my strategy, so I have been preparing for IIT KGP exam since long, and even I won't say that the preparation is like for 6 months or 8 months, because this exam tests you everything about the law, you know. So the point is that whatever you have studied in law will determine whether you are going to enter into IIT Kharagpur or not. So, with that said, if I tell you a short strategy of last 8 days or 10 days, so it would definitely be a revision of major subjects, um, and then going through not case laws or just sections, but understanding the concepts, the major concepts of major subjects. That would be the strategy now.
I see. So Kanishka, if I like firstly talk about the main issue कि द होल सिलेबस जो आता है सी क्लैट या आईआईटी खड़गपुर एग्जाम में, दैट इज द बीसीआई सिलेबस. अब इसमें ये डिफरेंशिएट करना कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन से कम इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव द पीवाई क्यूज. सो फर्स्टली थोड़ा सा ये बताइए कि इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स कौन से हैं, किन पे हमें ज्यादा फोकस रखना है इन लास्ट के 5-10 डेज में.
Whenever, not only IIT Kharagpur exam, but any exam, if you are going forward, you need to have that mindset that what that exam is about, what that exam is determining from you, and what exactly would be the curriculum of that college after once you enter into it. So that will that this understanding will give you a list of subjects which you need to go ahead with. So if it is judiciary, everybody knows it's criminal and civil. But here, as we know that IIT Kharagpur is known for IPR, so it will be more about IPR. It will be more about international law. It will be more about contract, because see, contract is such subject which definitely you need a command on, whether you are in any field. So then the basic subjects, consti, jurisprudence, they are definitely going to be the backbone of any exam. And then as you can understand from the nature of doing masters here, it is more towards corporate side, IPR side, then company law, and some other related subjects would be a must.
And there are other specializations as well if we look into it, like पिछले 2 साल में.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you have constitution, you have criminal, you have international organization. So all of them, but as the name itself is Rajiv Gandhi School of Intellectual Property Law. So focus of the exam, I would say, would be more on IPR and constitution, contract, international law. A balance of these 4-5 subjects would be seen.
अच्छा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम लाइक दीज सब्जेक्ट्स, इफ आई गो इनटू लाइक कि जैसे टॉर्ट लॉ हो गया, इन्वायरमेंट लॉ हो गया, लेबर एंड ऑल, इनके बारे में व्हाट वुड यू से.
So labor, I think in for me, labor was not there. There was no question from labor law. So I think that would be a relax point for all audience out there. Labor, you don't have to do it. But I think there are two subjects, that is labor and income tax. So labor, I won't suggest. About income tax also, I think you need to have a basic idea that okay, what subheads comes under income from sale, what subheads comes from this. So just have a brief idea of income tax. Do not go in detail for income tax as well.
I see. Acha, apart
Yeah.
from that, like there is tort law, there is other subjects like CPC also, limitations
Yes.
and arbitration. What about those subjects, the remaining ones?
So I think some specific acts like SRA or Limitation Act, they are not going in depth with them. It is more about core subjects. Coming to tort, so yes, tort is there, but again, tort is not having direct question into it. It will be implementation based. So as far as you know, what is a trespass, what are the ingredients of trespass, and then you can apply it on a situation. So I think tort would be enough to cover.
I see.
And what was the third subject?
CPC.
Okay, so from CPC also, I think in my exam, there was no direct question that which order, which section. So I think this exam is not focusing more about case laws or sections, but from CPC also, you need to have understanding of injunction, the major interim injunction, the major crux of CPC. I think it should be studied.
I see. And apart from that, like Kanishka, if I talk about each subject, because we have already discussed कि जो major subjects हमारे होने वाले हैं, like if you talk about constitutional law and criminal law specifically, so like if you are talking about those की उसपे main focus आपका क्या होना चाहिए कि like constitutional और criminal law हमें like किस तरीके से revise करना चाहिए, what would be your strategy in that basically part, what part
So
would you focus most on? हाँ.
Yeah, so I think Consti is one of the subject where you need to understand the landmark cases. So I remember there were few questions in my paper which was from case laws in Consti. So then I think Consti landmark cases would be one strategy. Second would be giving a reading of Constitution Bare Act or any book. Um, at least understanding the major chapters, maybe fundamental rights, fundamental duties, legislative powers, all these major concepts need to be studied. And for criminal law, I think I'm not sure, but I think the amended BNS and I
BNSS
all
and
the three,
BSA will
I
be
think,
coming,
yeah, I think
and
I have a guess about it that they should be
I
coming.
can
In fact,
understand.
they should be coming. So, students
So
should study those three. At least understand the difference between the previous criminal laws and the current criminal law, and then go for the exam.
yeah, basically what I see is कि like in any given situation अगर हम लोग बात करते हैं, so if you talk about constitution में if you talk about constitution in sense of कि एक particular exam के अंदर क्या important है, and as you have also pointed out कि judiciary जैसे हो गया, उसमें कुछ important
Hmm.
topics होते हैं, हमें पता होता है कि हमें करना है. Same will go for CVT, same will go for IIT खड़गपुर. तो the main important topics that are there, आप उन पे फोकस करिए. क्रिमिनल लॉज के अंदर भी इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अ कंपैरेटिव स्टडी कि लाइक आईपीसी एंड बीएनएस, तो आईपीसी के अंदर देयर आर सर्टेन सेक्शंस जो कि अमेंड हुए हैं, यू नीड टू नो अबाउट दैट. जो नए सेक्शंस ऐड हुए हैं जैसे ग्रुप ऑफेंसेस हो गया, यस आपका मतलब दो तीन ऐसे ऑफेंसेस जो कि नए ऐड हुए, यू नीड टू नो अबाउट दैट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अगर आप बात करते हो तो जो आपके और सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं जैसे आर्बिट्रेशन हो गया, तो मेजर मेजर पॉइंट्स जो आपके हैं आर्बिट्रेशन के अंदर, ये आर्बिट्रेशन होता क्या है, उसके अंदर किस तरीके से आप कौन कौन सा आर्बिटर होता है, उसके मेन मेन फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं, केस लॉज कौन कौन सा है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. तो मतलब बेसिक बेसिक कंसेप्ट फॉर ईच particular like if we say subject आपका होना चाहिए. And apart from that, if I talk about like the marking scheme, Kanishka, because no negative marking is there, तो वो चीज़ कैसे वर्क करती है और दिमाग में आपके क्या होना चाहिए कि सारे क्वेश्चंस करके आना चाहिए या फिर कैसे आपको वर्कआउट करना चाहिए उस चीज़ को?
So definitely, when there's a no negative marking, then students should try to attempt all the questions given. Um, like even giving a wild guess, there's no doubt in doing that. But again, try to figure out the questions for answers which you are very sure. So try to complete your paper like 10 minutes or 20 minutes prior and be sure with the answers you know. And then visit again for the questions for which you were having a bit doubt into it and then go ahead with it.
या ट्रू. एंड उसके अलावा भी इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कि लाइक एक बार एग्जाम जब हो जाता है तो उसके बाद दे जस्ट डायरेक्टली रिलीज द मेरिट लिस्ट, एंड उसके बाद सीधे आपको अलॉटमेंट हो जाता है कि आपको ये पर्टिकुलर स्पेशलाइजेशन मिली है एंड यू कैन नॉट चेंज इट. तो वो वाली चीज़ भी होती है कि यू नीड टू मेक श्योर कि जो क्वेश्चन आप अटेम्प्ट करो दोज आर करेक्ट, गलती थोड़ी सी गुंजाइश कम होती है, एंड उसके बाद भी फिर डिपेंड करता है कि व्हाट स्पेशलाइजेशन यू गेट, उसके हिसाब से आप डिसाइड करते हो कि इफ यू आर गेटिंग ए कॉलेज और बी कॉलेज, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट डिबेट ऑल टुगेदर, वो बात की कोई बात है। बट अभी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से द मेजर सब्जेक्ट जो कि हम लोग के थे, जो हम लोग को डिस्कस करने थे, वी हैव डिस्कस दोज, उनको कैसे हमें टैकल करना है बेसिकली। आप अगर वन शॉट वीडियोस अगर आप प्रेफर करते हो तो आप वो देख सकते हो, या फिर आप अगर इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पकड़ लेते हो और इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स कर लेते हो, थोड़े से इलस्ट्रेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस जरा अटेम्प्ट करते हुए, थोड़े से आप अगर कोशिश करते हो कि प्रैक्टिस सेट्स लगा लीजिए इन लास्ट 5 to 10 days, आई थिंक सो कि काम भर की प्रैक्टिस आपकी इस एग्जाम के लिए हो जाएगी, एंड देयर इज नॉट मच यू कैन डू इन द गिवन टाइम फ्रेम दैट यू हैव। बेस्ट जो आपका अप्रोच है वो हम लोग ने आपको इस वीडियो के अंदर बेसिकली एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करी है। और इसके अलावा कनिष्का, एनी लास्ट थिंग दैट यू वुड लाइक टू ऐड इनटू दिस होल पर्टिकुलर कॉन्वर्सेशन?
So I wish everybody out there all the very best. As you rightly pointed out, that your specialization will be based upon the marks you score. So you need to really, really, really make sure that every answer you give, every question you attempt, be very careful about it, because that's where it will determine which specialization you are going to get into. So be very careful about it. Third would be, do not panic. I think this exam is not more about last 8 days, 10 days. This is about what you have developed as a lawyer in your entire LLB. So be calm. Do not think that, oh, I have not studied this topic. Use your photographic memory, where, we all have it. We all know what we have studied in class, what our teachers have taught us. So sometimes I would really say few questions that worked for me was just recalling what my professors taught me in my class. So definitely it's not possible for even for 6 months you cannot revise the entire LLB syllabus. So revise the main topics, go with that. Some questions might come which you have not revised or you have not covered, but like let's say for interpretation of statues. So I think that was also covered in my exam, and I did a revision of it, but not that thorough, and questions were really thorough from that. So the thing which worked was I quickly recalled what my teacher was teaching in class. So if you have been a diligent student, you have worked your way and you are up for it, so I think just be calm and try to, I think calmness is the key for this question, this exam.
Yeah, true that.
Yeah.
And apart from that, I think so कि exam itself, although we can say कि हाँ difficult exam थोड़ा सा है, और मान लो फर्स्ट वाले नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, तो you can take a random guess, like आंसर नहीं भी आ रहा, just make sure कि कुछ ना कुछ सही मार्क करके आओ, आपको accordingly just hope for the best, give the exam, और उसके बाद नहीं तो फिर और ऑप्शन अपने लिए आप खोले रखिए, तो it will be a good way to go about it. I think so कि इतना हो रहेगा। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आई होप कि जो स्टूडेंट्स ये पूरा सेशन देख रहे होंगे, दे माइट हैव बेनिफिटेड from the discussion that we had today, and I wish every student a very best of luck for the exam, and thank you very much Kanishka for giving us time and accordingly for us explain करने के लिए, thank you very much.